Yes, we cannot wait for the distant technologies or unproven fixes. We must act now, where the solutions can be implemented at a scale, quickly and responsibly. Railwind Technology was convinced with that urgency in mind, published under the PCT at the World Intellectual Property Organization. This innovation is globally adoptable because it uses what already exists, that is, railway infrastructures. The world railway networks more than 1.3 million kilometers and it's keep growing. Rather than build new footprints, Railway Technology 2.0 integrate with existing and the upcoming railway infrastructure to convert a currently wasted resource, the wind energy produced by the moving trains, and convert into clean and usable electricity. Let me explain briefly and directly. So how does it work? As the train moves, they generate a stream of kinetic energy. Railway technology captures that energy using smart intake nozzle placed under the railway track that inside reinforced RCC capsules integrated with SCADA and the AI to make sense approaching trains and dynamically open and close the nozzles to maximize energy capture while maintaining safety and operational integrity. The electricity generated is used first to make railway operations self-sustaining, power signaling, stations, switches and more. An excess amount of power can be routed to nearby grid stations, towns and EV charging stations along parallel roads and highways. But the most important thing, no extra land acquisitions is required, no trees are to be cut down. The installation is respectful of local environment and communities. So these are the environment benefits that come in effect immediately. Environmental impact, railway technology reduce carbon emissions by turning renewable energy that was previously lost and converted to the usable power. This contributes to carbon footprint offsetting and help nation move towards their net zero commitments. Energy and security and cost savings. Railway can become self-sustainable. Surplus electricity can offset local demand and reduce load on conventional power system. Social and economic impact. The deployment will create jobs across engineering, manufacturing, installation and operation. Because rail network already exists worldwide, Railwind Technology 2.0 can be scaled rapidly across many countries and integrated into metros, high-speed rails, freight corridor and rapid transit systems. We estimate that with a wide-scale adaptation and optimal deployment, Railway Technology 2.0 could contribute hundreds of gigawatt distributed clean energy generations, a transformative addition to the global renewable mix. It can support sustainable development goals, foster energy social responsibility, and provide verifiable carbon credits to the nations and operators committed to reducing emissions. So this technology that complete with the railway operators, it partner with them. We prepare to collaborate with the national railways, metro authorities, high-speed railway projects and private freight corridors. Our roadmap began with the pilot projects on selected corridors where the technology, performances, safety and grid integrations will be validated. From the pilot, we will move to the phased rollout, capacity building with local manufacturer and knowledge transfer so the country can adopt the technology locally. To government and the policy makers, Railwind while bringing power to the underserved areas. So our vision is audacious because the problem we face require ambitions. We imagine a world where railway are not only carrier of peoples and goods, but engine of clean energy. A world where EV charging stations along highway are powered by very trains that share their corridors. A world where nations earn carbon credits from the mature, accountable technology that help meet global net zero goals. But the vision must be matched with the action. Today, I call the partner across sectors to join Unicorn Brothers in the demonstrating Railwind Technology 2.0. We seek pilot corridors, regulatory supports, technical partnerships, and funding to move from prototype to the widespread deployments. Together, we can pilot projects, validate the model, and scale rapidly. Let me return to a simple truth. Earth is our only home. There is no other planet in the universe where we can live. We can and we have to do and restore it. Railwind technology is not a distant promise, it's a practical deployment innovations that turns an everyday phenomenon into a global force for good. Join us together, we will transform railways into renewable, emissions into opportunities, and the movement of trains into the movement toward the cooler, cleaner, and more sustainable planet. Thank you. हम सदियों से हैं और सदियों के लिए हैं। धन्यवाद।